Hi everyone, my name is Shahar and welcome to DataSense Tutorials. Today we'll be going over how to install Docker on your system. It is necessary to install Docker before moving on to install DataSense. It is also something that is tested by the prerequisite tester. On my screen you can see I have two applications open. To the right is my CentOS machine which I'm connected to via SSH. And on the left is the Docker documentation with instructions on how to install Docker for CentOS. So let's jump right to installing. I'm going to scroll down to the instructions on how to install. I've never previously installed Docker on my CentOS machine in the past, so I don't need to uninstall any older versions. The first step we're going to take is to install yum utils. I'm just going to copy the command from right here and run it on my system. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and set the repository using the command right here, which I'm again copying. Right, now once I have set up the repository, we're going to install the Docker engine. We're going to go ahead and install the latest version. Nice, so 4 minutes later after that's done, we're gonna go ahead and run this command in order to start Docker. Nice, and after we've done that, let's just run this command to make sure that it actually works, and if so, hello world will be printed. Nice, so once we've installed Docker and made sure that it's running, we need to do one last thing, which is running the enable Docker command, so that even if our system reboots, Docker will come up and start running automatically. Nice, and we're done. Thank you and good luck.